In this episode of Dazzling Doll Dreams,
we need to hurry up. I love donuts! And there we go. Milky Crunch Cereal Slime Kit. I hope that we get triplets. We have some donuts.
click subscribe now below.
Today, Snow White is going to be cooking some brunch for her friends. And of course, we have a whole bunch of toys to open along the way, so stay tuned. And our first toy is this adorable Kindy Kid doll. Her name is Donatina, and she's a snack time friend. She has an adorable little donut bow in her hair, and you can feed her cereal, and she actually eats it. Donatina is one of Snow White's best friends. Let's get her out of the box. Wow, this is a really pretty and funky looking doll. She's got bright pink hair, a really cool donut bow, and she's got a donut dress too with sprinkles. Her head also bobbles, and look at how sparkly her eyes are. Oh my goodness, she's fabulous. Excuse me, I'm really hungry. Can I have some of my cereal, please? Well, Donatina, we're having brunch soon with Snow White, remember? Oh, I know, but I really need a snack. Please, I'm so hungry. Okay, we'll give you just a little snack so that you save some room for brunch. Here we go. We've got some strawberry cereal for you. Have a bite. Ooh, that's so good. Thank you. You're welcome. Okay, just one more bite. It's just a little snack. Here you go. And don't worry, Donatina. Brunch is going to be real soon. Okay, where's Snow White? Is she, around here? She is. You want to come get her with me? Okay, yes, let's go. All right, come on, Donatina, let's go. Here we are. We have our Disney Princess Snow White doll. Ooh. Let's open her up so we can start cooking our brunch. Our friends are going to be here soon. What foods do you think we should make for brunch today? I'm thinking definitely some eggs. And what do you think, Donatina? Donuts! That's true. You certainly do. Let's have some donuts. And here is beautiful Snow White. She's got on a sparkly dress, and look, she's got little apples and birds all over it. That is the prettiest and sparkliest dress. I just love it. Well, hello, Snow. How are you? Oh, hello. I'm good. Donatina! Oh, my goodness, you're here already. It's so nice to see you. Oh, it's so good to see you, Snow. Oh, I've missed you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Are you girls ready to start cooking some brunch? Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, no, I think our guests are here already. Oh, Donatina, could you let them in, please? Oh, yes, of course, Snow. I'll go let them in, and you get to cooking. Oh, thank you so much, Donatina. You're such a good friend. Oh, no problem, Snow. I'll see you in a few minutes. Oh, okay, bye-bye. Okay, let's go see what we have to cook for brunch. We have some Foodie mini brand balls here. Do you think there'll be anything in these that the girls can have for brunch? I'm not sure either, but let's open them and find out. Okay, so we have two Foodie mini brand balls here, and there's 5 surprises in each one. I wonder what we're gonna get. In our first one, ooh, it looks like we have some chicken and spring onion Itsu pot stickers. Yummy. I guess we could have those with our brunch. Okay, now what's the second one gonna be? It's square shaped. Oh, it looks like it's a Subway box. Oh, that's a box that you can put all your sandwiches in and carry them easier. Well, we certainly can't eat a box with our brunch. So let's see what's in bag number 3. Oh, here we go. Oh, yum. It's a White Castle cheeseburger. That looks so delicious. I guess they can have that with brunch, or maybe I'll eat that. And in bag number 4, we have a meatball sub from Subway. Yum. Oh, this food's making me so hungry. Oh, and there's a big item in bag number 5. What is it? Oh, look at that. It's some ribs and French fries from TGI Fridays. And the little box even opens and closes. That's cute. All right, that's all 5 things. Let's just take a look at the ones that we got and then the other ones that we can get in the next ball that we're going to open. Ooh, look at that. I want all of them. Well, I'm ready to see what's in the next ball. There's 5 more surprises. So let's go ahead and get it open. We need to hurry up. I'm sure those girls are getting hungry out there. Okay, there we go. Let's see what's in bag number 1. What have we got? It's a drink. It's an extra large soda from Sonic with a little straw in it. And what's in bag number 2? Oh, another drink. Look at that. We've got a soda from Subway now, too. How funny. All right, bag number 3. We've got, oh my goodness, more pot stickers like we got before, but these are from TGI Fridays. We're getting the same things, but from different places. And what's in bag number 4? Ooh, look at this cool blue drink with a pineapple on top from the Hard Rock Cafe. That looks really yummy. Someone would love that with their brunch, I'm sure. Okay, in our last bag, we've got... Oh, it's a cheeseburger from Hardee's. Yummy. Well, I guess we can use some of those things for brunch for sure. Let's open up our toy kitchen set so we can start cooking. We're going to give Snow White a break so she can hang out with her friends, and we'll cook. So it looks like the first thing we have is this purple hippo oven. And there's a few things inside. It looks like a biscuit and a squirter for water, not sure what for, and a little pretzel. And then, of course, we've got 4 plates here. Definitely going to need those today. Look at this. It's a little polar bear coffee maker and a cup, and there's a chicken in the coffee maker. Oh my goodness, how silly. Let's take that out, and we're gonna make some coffee with this later. Next, we have a big bag full of food and utensils. Let's see what's in here. There's a lot. It looks like we've got some tomato ketchup and, tomato ketchup. Weird. And a milk carton and pizza and a croissant. What else? Oh, it's a tomato, and this one Velcro so you can cut it in half and then put it back together. And a lemon that does the same thing. And donuts, Donatina. We have donuts. Oh, yay! And our silly chicken, of course. A knife, a chicken wing, an entire fish. Maybe we should put him in the fish bowl. And we've got a bunch of spoons and tongs and a hot dog and mustard, but it says mayonnaise. That doesn't make sense. Silly. All right, and an egg and a quiche. And, a strawberry that also breaks in half. And a pepper that does the same. And the last thing this comes with is a whale toaster. And we'll give that a try in a little bit. Let's go ahead and make some coffee first. We'll put our coffee beans on there and our cup underneath. And this is what our little water squirt bottle is for. We have to add the water to the top so we can pretend to make our coffee. And then we push the button on the front here. And there we go. We've got a nice hot cup of coffee. Now let's make our toast. Push the toast down in there and turn the dial. There we go. That was quick. They're already ready. Let's get it on the plate. All right, what else are we gonna make? Let's check out the oven since we haven't done that. Let's go ahead and reheat the pretzel and the donuts. They're getting a little cold. We want to make sure they're nice and fresh. All right, let's turn the dial just to low. We just want to heat them a little. Oh, there we go. That was fast. Ooh, they're hot. We got to use our tongs to pull them out and put them on our plate. We don't want to burn our fingers. Ouchie. This kitchen is starting to smell really good. I think that we've cooked everything that we need to over here. Now we've got to go make our eggs over in our big kitchen. Oh, wait, excuse me before you go. How can I help you, Snow? Oh, well, what if the girls wanted some cereal? Is that possible? Can you make some cereal too, please? Oh, I hate to ask because I know you're helping me out, but... Oh, don't worry about it, Snow. That's no problem. I've got the perfect cereal. We'll get it done. Oh, thank you so much. I'll just bring these donuts to the table for you. Hey, thank you so much for having us, Snow. This is great. Oh, yes, thank you so much, Snow. I'm so happy you invited us to brunch. Oh, you're welcome, dear girls. It's so nice to see you again. Okay, let's get started making our cereal with our Milky Crunch cereal slime kit. This looks like one of the coolest slime kits I've ever seen. It's slime that looks like milk and cereal, and it's even milk scented, and comes with a bowl and spoon. I can't wait to put this together. Plus, I think Snow White and her friends are going to be very happy to have their slime cereal, don't you? Whoa, it looks like it comes with a lot of stuff. Let's see what's in there. So we've got some, pretend fruity cereal that we can put in. And what is this? Oh, it's cream lotion. Maybe that's to make it nice and soft, the slime? Not sure. And then we've got a milk bottle looking bottle of white glue, and then another one of clear glue. And our bowl with a lid so that we can keep our slime in there after. And then, of course, a measuring cup. Gotta make sure we make it the right way. And then, our slime activator. We definitely need that. And one more bag. What's in here? There's a whole bunch of stuff. It looks like we've got some cereal pieces that look like Fruit Loops and a measuring spoon and then a spoon to pretend to eat our cereal with. And look at this. This is to put in the slime to make it smell like milk. That's really cool. I wonder what milk smells like. I'm not sure. Do you know what it smells like? So looking at the directions, it says the first thing we need to do is add some clear glue. Now we're going to measure it to the line right in between the 20 and the 40. Do you know what number that would be? Yes, it's going to be 30. So we're going to fill it up to the 30 line, and then we're going to pour it into our bowl. Next, we're going to need the same amount of the white glue as we did the clear glue. So we have to take this and measure it up to the 30 milliliter line as well. Milliliters is a unit of measurement. It's how we measure out how much glue, since we can't use a ruler like we would with a lot of things. So let's go ahead and pour it in. The next thing the direction says is that we need a few squirts of this cream lotion. Maybe not that big, but a couple more smaller ones too. There we go. All right, and now what else do we have to do? Oh, that's right. We need to put in some of the fresh milk scent oil so that it smells like milk. Just a couple drops. There we are. And now we need to measure out 2 of these spoonfuls of the slime activator and pour it in. Though I think that might not be enough. We might have to add a little bit more later. We'll see. Okay, there we are. Now let's mix it all up and see how slimy it's gonna be. Okay, looks like we're just about done. And we didn't need to add any more slime activator, though it is still extra goopy, but that's okay. All right, look at that. Let's stretch it out a bit. And now we're gonna add some cereal pieces to it so that it looks like our milk and cereal. Which one should we put in this bowl of cereal slime? I know, how about we just do both? Why not? Let's put in the small round cereal bits and the Fruit Loop ring-like bits. It's so colorful. Look at that. Now let's mix it all together. Wow, that is such a cool slime. And if this was real cereal, that would be a very tasty cereal. All right, it's so sticky. Look at it though. It's so colorful. What's your favorite kind of cereal? That's a yummy one. I really like Cinnamon Toast Crunch and Fruity Pebbles. Yum. Okay, let's put it back in the bowl and let's add a little bit more cereal to the top. I don't think there's enough in there. There we are. Now let's put our spoon in and we're good to go. Look at that beautiful bowl of slime, milk, and cereal. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, now it's really time to go cook our eggs, and then I think we're ready for brunch, finally. Oh, hey, Donatina, what are you doing over here? I found the spatula that you're gonna need for the eggs. It was in the dining room. Oh, thank you so much, Donatina. Would you mind putting it in the pan for us? Oh, sure. Here you go. Thank you so much. Let's get started on cooking those eggs. How many do we need? I think we just need 2. There's a lot of other food. You're certainly right. There is a lot of other food. Let's get this oven turned on. There we are. And we'll crack our eggs into the pan. Bloop. Number 1 and number 2. There we are. Let's stir those around a little bit and let them cook, and they should be ready to go in no time. We've got this stove's heat turned up to high. And there we are. They're perfect. Ooh, yummy fried eggs. Let's put them on our plate. And we're ready for our brunch finally. Girls, it's ready. Well, thank you so much for carrying the eggs in, Snow. I bet everything is going to be yummy, isn't it, girls? Yes, thank you. Okay, well, let's dig in before it gets too cold. Num, num, num. Oh, wait, Snow, before you do that. Yes? We all have a present for you.
As a way to say thank you for brunch.
Oh, you didn't have to. That is so sweet. Let's open the present that the girls got for Snow White. It's a baby-born surprise mini. We could get twins or we could get triplets. Look,
Here's all the different ones. There's some food and then there's some beach babies. Aw.
I hope that we get triplets.
But any of them would be really cool.
Let's open up the blanket and we'll see what we got. What is it? Oh my goodness. Oh, it's the cotton candy babies. We got triplets. Yay! Let's see how cute our babies are. Here's our first one. Oh, she's wearing a yellow striped outfit. So cute. Let's put her back in the bed. And who's next? What color is this baby gonna have on? Oh, pink and white stripes along with a matching hat. Oh my goodness. And they both have red hair so far. I wonder if this one will have red hair too. Yes, and it's a little boy wearing blue and white stripes. Oh my goodness, these babies are adorable. Here you go, Snow. Oh, thank you so much, girls. I love them.
You're welcome,
Snow. Okay, I'm hungry. Is it time to eat yet? Oh my goodness, yes, I'm so hungry too. Is it time to eat? Please, is brunch ready? It is, girls. Let's serve the eggs first. Who wants eggs? Oh, me. Okay, here's 1 egg for you, Donatina. And here's 1 egg for you, Snow.
So yummy.
Okay, now we have some pastries. We have some donuts, a pretzel, and a croissant. Donatina, I know you want a donut. Here you go. Thank you so much. And Belle, a pretzel for you.
Thank you.
Ariel, a donut for you. Thank you. And Snow, do you want the croissant? Oh, yes, please. I love croissants. Thank you. You're welcome. And Ariel, you wanted the bowl of cereal, right? Yes, I did. Thank you so much. Oh, my goodness, this looks delicious. Oh, and here's your bowl of cereal too, Donatina. And now I have some fruit for everybody. Who would like a piece of fruit? Oh, I want some. Snow, what would you like? I'll take the orange, please. And Ariel, I'll have a strawberry. Here you go. And Belle, what would you like? Ooh, I'd like a strawberry too, please. Okay, here you go. Oh, and can I have the banana as well? Sure, here you go, Belle. And Donatina, would you like the watermelon? Oh, yes, I love watermelon. Thank you. You're welcome. Okay, girls, this is just course number 1, which means there's more food on the way. I hope you're hungry. This has been so much fun. Oh, yes, so much fun.
Yes, so fun.
It was nice seeing you. Please come back soon and play with us here in Kaya's room. Bye-bye.
Bye.